How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thanks for tuning into Stock Essentials. We got once again another BlackBerry video. You guys requested what options, contracts should we buy for BlackBerry in the upcoming days, upcoming weeks, because BlackBerry is going to be one of the next hottest stocks in my opinion, because it is at a pretty low price point. It has not really risen as fast as GameStop or AMC, and BlackBerry, one of the most talked about meme stocks, just up there with the two giants. It has not yet seen a huge increase in price. We saw this huge increase in price to $25 in late January, but we haven't really seen BlackBerry do much with the price recently in the market. So we're going to get into the best strikes, the best expiration dates you should buy for BlackBerry. So if we check out the Wall Street Bets chatter, the daily and the weekly, it's just nonstop BlackBerry. We can check out the subreddit itself. People are talking about BlackBerry. This guy has 6,000 shares of BlackBerry. People are making memes of BlackBerry. 3,225 shares of BlackBerry right here. Everyone's talking about BlackBerry on this Wall Street Bets subreddit, and in the upcoming days or weeks, we could probably see BlackBerry shoot to the moon. Now, we don't have too much momentum or indicators of a squeeze for BlackBerry yet, but this is the best time to get into BlackBerry right before it has seen a huge increase in price. So we want to get in early. We want to do it right. What options do we want to buy? So let's check out the option summary for BlackBerry. Overall, the sentiment is very bullish, as we can see here. Lots of people are buying more calls towards puts. So a lot of investors, a lot of the traders on Wall Street Bets are looking at BlackBerry, and they're predicting that there's going to be a huge increase of price in BlackBerry over the next couple of days or weeks, just like how AMC and GameStop have been. So what strikes do we want to check out? So let's take a look at the dominant expirations as well as the dominant strikes. So something good would probably be $20 strike, either expiring next week. If you're a bit risky, if you want to gamble, a weekly would probably be good, or my recommendation would be for July 16th, 2021. This is going to provide us the most liquidity because a lot of people are going to be buying these strikes, these contracts at these expiration dates. So we can take a look at the options chain. We'll take a look at the most popular one, which is the $20 strike at June 11th, and we can see the volume for this is pretty high at $21,000 compared to, let's see, the $21 strike only at $1,000. 1,000 volume, and the 19.5 only has 700 volume. So you want something that has high volume, high open interest. This gives you the most liquidity. It will be easier for you to get filled on your contracts. It'll be easier for you to buy and sell to get in and out quickly, because remember, BlackBerry is going to be a volatile stock, so we want to get in and out quickly when the price does make some huge movements, and the contracts that you want to be holding is going to be the ones that has the most volume, so you can get in and out very quickly. So we can also check out the July 16th, and a $20 strike for that would also be pretty good. A lot of people have their price targets set around $20, $30, but the 21 is going to be your best bet. It's pretty far out of the money. It's not incredibly far, not like a $40 strike, which is going to be a little bit risky. But $20 strike is going to be pretty reasonable. It's going to give you great volume, great liquidity, and overall, it's your highest chance of making profit. I highly recommend the July 16th expiration rather than the June 11th. But if you want to buy a lottery ticket, the June 11th would be the one to buy. But I personally will be purchasing the $20 strike for July 16th. It has good volume and it has very good it has good time. It's a month out. You have a little bit of time. If BlackBerry falls, you can also average down. If you also want to play BlackBerry, buying shares and averaging down if it dips is another great strategy, and then keep holding until a squeeze happens. We don't really have too much indicators of a squeeze. The short interest is getting up there. It's getting higher, but it's not towards insane high levels. as AMC and GameStop were. So we want to get into the stock really quick, early as possible, in order to make the most profit. That's about it for this video. If it helped you in any way, please leave a like, comment down below what type of videos you want to see. And of course, please subscribe if you are new here to the channel. It helps out a lot. Thanks for watching.